Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 5.2. This whole exercise depend on clock. Everybody has seen clock. That first question, what fraction of the clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from? So first that A part, 3 to 9, 3 to 9, that will be 3 to 9. It means half of the clock move the hand. So that solution will be 1 upon 2. B part is 4 to 7, 4 to 7, 4 to 7, that will be 4 to 7, like this. This will be 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. C part, that is 7 to 10, 7 to 10, you can see here 7 to 10. This one also 1/4, 1/4. And then D part, that is 12 to 9, 12 to 9, that 12 to 9, that means 3/4. These are the part 3/4, that will be 3/4. And then E part, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, it means these distance covered by clock hand, so that will be also 3/4. F part, that 6 to 3, 6 to 3, 6 to 3, 6 to 3, from here moving and goes up to here, it means that is also 3/4 part. Now question number second, where will the hand of a clock stop if it start at 12 and make half of revolution? A part, you will be write the question because question is lengthy. Is start from 12 and then half of the circle is done, so that means is come to 6. B part, that start from 12 and half of distance, start from 2 and then half of distance, that means it will be goes up to 8. C part, that start from 5 and half of 1/5, start from 5 and revolute 1/4, that will be up to 8, up to 8. D part, that will be start at 5 and 1/4, start from 5 and 1/4, that will be, sorry, start 5 and then 3/4, so that will be going up to here 2, that will be goes up to 2. And then third question, which direction will you face if you start facing? That third question, A part, east and half of revolution, it means that's east and half of it means west, it means west. B part, that east and 1.5, that also west, because one revolution is completed and half also, that will be also west. And then C part, that west and 3/4, that will be goes north. And D part, that will be south and make one revolution, then again come well on same place, that south, that again will come on same place, that will be south. Now the question number 4, what part of revolution have you turn through if stand facing? Fourth question, east and turn clockwise to face north, that will be move up to 3/4, that is start from east. That means suppose this is the east and start from east, then clockwise it will be go north, that will be north. And then B part, south and turn clockwise to east, south, that will be clockwise, that will become here, that is it also 3/4. West and turn clockwise face, that will be 1/4. West and turn clockwise to face east, west or east, west to east is going, that will be 1/, west and goes to east, that will be half of the revolution. D part, and then D part is not there. Now question number 5, find the number of right angle turn throw by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. 3 to 6, that first part, A part, 3 to 6, that will be one right angle. Right angle means 90-degree angle. When it will be goes start from 3 to 6, that will be 90-degree. 2 to 8, B part, 2 to 8, 2 to 8 means here to here, that will be 2 right angle. 5 to 11, 5 to 11, that will be also 5 to 11, that will be also 2 right angle. 10 to 1, D, 10 to 1, 10 to 10, 10, 10 to 1, that will be 3 right angle, that will be 10 to 11, clockwise is going, yes, 1, that will be 1. See D, E part is 12 to 9, 12 to 9, 12 to 9, that will be 3 right angle. F, 12 to 6, 12 to 6, it means straight line, it means 2 right angle. Question number 6, that how many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? That will be 1. South to west, that will be 1, only one right angle. B part, north and turn anti-clockwise to east, not to east, north to east. That anti-clockwise means opposite direction. That will be 3. C part, west and turn to west. West to turn west means same place is coming, so that will be 4 right triangle. In a circle there are 4 right angle. Fourth, south and turn to north. That will be just opposite, south to north. That means 2. And then last question, when will be the hour hand of a clock stop if it is A part? If is it start from 6 to turn through 1 right triangle, so that will be stop on 9. It will be start from 6 and 1 right triangle, it means stop there. It means 1 2 3 angles. Oh, 3 that distance make a right triangle. B part, that from 8 and turn 2 right triangle. From 8 and turn root right triangle. 1 2 3 1 2 3. That will be stop on 2. That will be stop on 2. C part, that from 10 to turn 3 right triangle. 10 to 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. That will be stop on 7. D part, start from 7 and 2 right, 2 straight angle. So straight angle means that will be obviously that will become on same place. Okay.